Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will discuss about Java method. Java method is a collection of statements which perform some specific task and return result to the caller. So I will show you how to create Java method and how to create Java overloaded method and how that works. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now we are at computer screen. Today's tutorial all about Java method. First we will create simple method and run. Then we will create overloaded method and run. So we'll create a class that only for method, and we'll create another class with main method. We'll call that first method class into the main method and then we'll run it. So two different type method we'll create. One is simple method, just run, then we'll create overloaded method and then we'll run it. So that's for our today's tutorial. So let's open the Eclipse first, then go to file, create new Java project. Let's project name is project 3 and whatever default environment, everything is okay. Click finish. We don't need the create module. So expand your created project. Then select the source folder, right click source folder, new class. Once you click the class, you will get this window. So create the package name com.test. You can write any package name based on your project. Give me the class name method example. I'm not taking the main method over here. Click finish. Our method class is created. Let's create another class which is test runner with the main method. So file, new class, make the name test runner, and I'm taking main method. Click finish. This is our main method created, main method class created, then also method example class is created. Create a method example over here. Still type public static void, method name is add sum. We'll add integer. So curly braces, enter. Here is the first declare the variable integer a and assign the value is 45. Create another variable integer b and assign the value 65. Create another variable integer result which is equal to a plus b semicolon. Now we can print the result in the console. SYSO control space bar to integer add value is concatenate that variable result. This is method. It's a simple method. This method will adding two value integer value 45 and 65 and will provide us the result. This is our method class. It is created. So as per example, method is a collection of a statement. This is a collection of a statement. So then it will perform some task and return the result to the caller. So what is the caller then? We save it, copy this class name, copy, go to the test runner class, call that method in over here, me equal to new. That means we instantiated that class over here. Then if we go me dot, you will see that method in over here, add sum. That means we call that method over here, and if we run, it will give me the result. Right click, run as Java application. Run as Java application. You see result is over here 110. These two adding value over here. This is a simple method. So that means we perform this task. Now go to the overloaded method. So let's close this method, open test runner, and also create another class. Right click, new class. Give me the name overload example. Okay, then we're not taking main method, just a class finish. Now we'll write the method over here. Let's say first public static void add number. Parenthesis, then curly braces, enter. Here is the method. Let me declare the variable integer x semicolon, sorry, we will declare the basically method overloaded method. What is that? Method with the same name but method signature will be different. That is the overloaded method. So we'll put the method signature over here, integer x, then we'll put integer y. Now we'll declare another variable integer, sorry, it is not semicolon, it will be comma, integer result equal to x plus y, semicolon. Then if we do the print console, SYSO control space, give the message to integer value add result is concatenation, use that result variable over here. That means your method is, this is one method, signature is 2 integer. Let me copy this method and create another method. So now it is the same name, same signature as it is, it will give you the error. So what you will do, create another variable signature over here, integer g, then put the result over here, x plus y plus g. Now 3 integer value, add result is result. So this is our overloaded method. These two method is the same name, add number, but method signature is different. Like when from main method it will call the add number, then compiler will automatically know which definitions to call based on the method signature. So this is our method creation is done. This is the overloaded example. If from the test runner, if you call add number, then based on method signature it will call this method or it will call this method. It will totally depends on method signature. So let's go to the test runner class, comment out this thing,
Now call this overload data exam create the instantiation of this class overload example, copy, go to the test runner class overload example, put OE equal to new, right, semicolon, then OE. If you press dot, you will see there is add number, though it is the same number, two option it is showing. One is 2 parameter, one is 3 parameter. If you pass 3 parameter, it will call to the second method. If you pass 2 parameter, it will call first method. Okay, let's call the first method first. So 225, and also if I pass 65, then save it and run it, run as Java application. It will give you 90. Then this means same number, same method name, OE dot add number. If you pass 3 parameter, 25, 85, then 90. So this one will call first method from here, this one 2 integer value, result is that one, and this one call will the second method which is 3 signature. So let's run this one, right click, run as Java application. Okay, you see there is 2 results. That means method overloading, method name will be same but method signature will different. So based on method signature, it will call the appropriate method, and method name is the same, signature will be different. This is called method overloading.
I believe those who are new in Java programming, this will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.